And come back to me. He's not hooked. He's just wrapped around you. Already? Oh gosh. He hit me. He hit my phone with his fishing pole. All right, guys, got the boys out here on the guy and up this morning. Actually fished this spot yesterday and did super good. Came down, just killed some time. Actually ended up catching 6 smallmouth in about 40 minutes time. And got them super pumped about it, so they wanted to come back this morning. It's August 31st. River's pretty low. Water's starting to cool off a little bit though. And the fish were very active yesterday. Gonna try to get some this morning. We're starting off with the river rock helgrapede. That's what I caught every one of those fish off of yesterday. This color is called Dark Special. Whoa, dude, you about hooked me. Dark Special. See if we can't get one. Here, Cam. I want you to reel him in. I reeled in 6 yesterday. You reel him in. Reel him in. Is that a big one?
Yep, that's a big one.
Get him up here. Nice. Hey, that is a good one. Look, bub. That's a good one, dude.
Yeah, I'm staying down here.
He said he's staying down here.
Can you stay down with me?
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Here, let's set this down. You threw yours in the mud.
Oh, still wait.
Nice, Cam. All right, here, I want you to hold him and take your picture with him.
Me hold that?
Yeah, you caught him.
Good.
Huh? Here, we'll fix your pole in a minute. All right, hold him up to my camera here. Hold him out close. Woo! Turn him loose easy. Try to be easy. Set him in the water. There he goes. Hey, right here, man. Good job. All right, let's get us another one. You want to? That's what we're using today, guys. The old trusty River Rock helgrapede and Dark Special. We've had a lot of luck off these things recently. They're awesome. They smell fantastic. Smell. What do you think they smell like, Branson? Coffee, kind of like a hint of vanilla maybe. They're awesome. Check them out. That's what we got there. See if we can get a few more. Did you lose it?
Yeah, that was a big fish.
We'll put it back out there, see if you can get him. I done had the camera on. Thought you done had a giant. You got him, Cam?
No.
Did you lose him? Oh, man. Changing spots here. Mr. Cam had all he could handle. The poor kid's been tormented by bees. They're terrible this year. And warmed up. Yellow jackets got to swarming. And he was done. So we took him home. Me and Branson going to hit another spot here. See if we can't catch a few. Work it slow. Work it slow. Let it set. Let it drop. Wiggle a little bit. Then reel. Was that a fish?
Yeah, that wasn't my bait. That was a fish.
I thought that was your bait you pulled back here. You look like you was getting in position to set the hook. I thought you got a bite.
Yeah, I did. I had a bite. I was ready for it.
Oh, did you see him come up and try to grab it? Just pitch it on the back side of that rock where those ripples are. All right, just bounce it up through there again. He wanted it.
Yeah.
Yeah. See how the water's going between them two rocks?
Yeah.
Pitch it right on the other side of that and just bounce it around through there.
Ooh, the fish right there.
Yeah. He's done tried to grab it twice. You'll get him if you let him get a hold of it. There you go. Just slowly work it back. Just bounce it. Give him time to grab it. You got him? All right. I got on video.
There we go.
Lift him up. All right. Good job.
Let's go. She's a big one.
Hold him up here.
Yeah, good first fish of the day.
Nice.
Nice smallmouth.
Go ahead. Put him in easy. Good job. See if we can get you another one. I can make it. Try not to get tangled. Good cast. Perfect. You got him? Oh gosh, you about took my head off. Try him again. Good cast. Got him?
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
That looks like a good one, man. That's a stick. I seen you pull it up out of the water.
There's a fish there, though.
Did you get him that time?
It's a tree.
Well, let's go before we lose all of our bait.
There's a fish.
You said it was a tree. Straight ahead. We'll try it. I'll let you try first. Don't get too close. Get him, bird dog. Tangled up. Oh, no, he's still on. I figured you was going to scare him off. Oh, watch out. He's tangled around you. Okay, back up. Back up. Back up. Come to me. I can't help you. Come. Let's slack out of your pole and come back to me. He's not hooked. He's just wrapped around you. Look, and I caught a fish out of all that. Oh my gosh. Hey, guess what? I was recording. Poor little fella. You went through a lot to get over here, didn't you? You got one? Oh. All right. Look how fat. I'm gonna put you back in. Go back and trip Branson again so I can catch your friend.
Okay, I think that was the only one.
Nah, I bet there's another one over there.
Told you there's a fish there.
You got one?
Yeah, I got one. Oh, he's a good one.
Let's see what you got. Hey, that is a pretty good one.
Told you there was one under a big rock right there.
That was a good cast.
Shoot. I was giving him a second because I was afraid he would spit it out. He took my line away.
Let me hold your pole while you get him off the hook. Huh? Hold him out here. Let's see him.
Alright guys, this is my second smallmouth bass of the day. Caught him right over there under a huge rock. Pretty one. Turn him loose.
Hold him up. Okay, turn him loose. Good job.
Under the rock.
All right, get you another one. Man, we almost doubled. I about got one on this one. Is that a good one? Nice.
There we go.
We just about doubled. Hey, get him off the hook. I'm gonna see if I can catch this one. Hang on to him. I'm gonna catch this one. We're gonna get us a picture together.
I ain't never caught this many fish in a long time.
I know. Uh-oh, hold on. Here he comes. Branson. All right, we got it on video. He caught it. I was trying to double with him. Daggone it, it won't take it. Ah! There's one right there. It must be a little one. He's got to just have the tail or something. We're in them now. How many does that make you? Three? You want your pole back? You want to use that one? Go ahead. There's definitely one over there. Look, I was taking Branson's pole back to get him untangled and finally hooked this one. That's about like the rest of them. Big enough. Oh boy.
That's 2 for you and 3 for me.
And Cam got one this morning.
Let's see if I can bounce it.
Wait a second, let me help you.
I'm gonna do that like you want.
Well, I just don't want to break them off. Have to spend time retie them when we're in the fish. Oh yeah. Yep. All right, there you go, little buddy. What? Oh, there's more in here. We ain't even got over there. Well, we're gonna wear them out. Oh, got him. I think he was sitting there holding it the whole time. It was a little feller. River Rock Helgrapede. Somebody from River Rock sponsor us.
Please.
Please. Because they're so good. Little guy, look at that. Isn't he cute? It's a pretty good one. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Whoa, easy, bud. You can come right here if you want. Pretty fish.
I just sunk.
You're not stuck. It's just that mud's deep where it's washed up around that rock. Well, I don't know if it's where I'm reeling him upstream or not, but it feels like a good one. Oh, I think it's where I had him in that current. It ain't a bad one, but it ain't as big as he felt. You got one? Oh no, I dropped him. Oh well. Did you get him?
Yeah.
You caught it. Nice. That's a pretty good one. We waited a long way upstream. We'll get you another one. I got a whole bag in my pocket.
This is the floppiest one we've had all day.
Give yourself a little more slack, it'll be easier. You're fighting against the tension of your line. Put your thumb in his mouth. He's gonna flop loose. He's gonna get away. Told you. Oh well, you got him. There he goes. See if he's got a buddy up there. Good job. That's where you said you knew there was a fish there. I think I still got him. Yep, still got him. Ooh! Oh, he come off. That was a good one. He was dark colored too. All right, guys, that's going to do it for us today. Appreciate you following along. Hope you enjoyed. We had a lot of fun. How many did you finish with?
4.
4. I think I had 5 or 6. Lost a couple, but we had a really good time. Really glad to be able to get out and enjoy this day. Just thankful to have this time together. Thankful for you guys. Thanks for following along. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Give us a like. Leave us a comment. We'll catch you on the next one. When you park so close to the guardrail, you can't get your door open just so you can catch some fish.
Uh-huh.
You good?
Yep.